Okay everybody, Stefan from Paint Boss here, doing a little walkthrough. We're almost done with this epoxy floor. This is a wood flake chip. It is unbelievable. Super cool stuff. So I'm gonna do this quick walkthrough. Obviously you see how we break it up into sections to always keep the epoxy wet so that the flake gets on it. So we have Marcella cut the lines. You can see here we cut all of our seams because we want our epoxy down in that seam. We got Benito rolling it both ways. And then we got Marcos flaking as soon as it's wet because you want all of that flake to bounce in there. If you get more ahead than 2 or 3 or 4 squares ahead, your flake's going to bounce right off the top of it. It's not going to absorb into that wet epoxy. So little tips out there to help you make it look good. And we're almost through this beast, almost 2,400 square feet of garage. You can see here, we go ahead and we cut all of our stem walls first. That way we can come back by and get our epoxy down there and broadcast our flake evenly. The stem wall is always what takes the longest, so you gotta have one person cutting that and flaking that, and then keep going. All right, thanks everybody. Hit like if you like this video, subscribe to Paint Boss. Thank you. Make it rain, Marcos. Make it rain.
There you go.